everyone, it's Pam with Organizer Easy 911 here with 5 ways disorganization costs you money. Number 1, when you're disorganized, oftentimes you can't find things. And when you can't find things, what do? You go out and buy another one. So you're paying good money to buy something that you already have. Number 2, if you're disorganized, oftentimes you will misplace or maybe not even open your mail, and that can lead to late fees, and multiple late fees can add up to quite a large sum in a year's time. Number 3, if you are disorganized, oftentimes the garage becomes your catch-all for all your stuff. And that means that your car, your second largest investment that you have made, is often sitting out exposed to all the elements. Oftentimes, wild animals do love to hunker in under the hood of your car for warmth and safety against other predators. And why not? They've got all they need. They've got warmth, they've got security, and they even have snacks. Yes, the coating on the wires inside your car are delicious to wild animals. And those wires, once chewed, can cost you thousands of dollars. Number 4, let's talk about dining out. Oftentimes, if you are disorganized, you will be dining out more because you have either not shopped for the food you need, you didn't thaw out the food you needed for the meal, or you just didn't think about it until last minute and you're too hungry to want to wait to cook it. So you end up dining out for the night at a much higher cost than the groceries would have been if they had just been properly prepared. And number 5, off-site storage facilities. You know, those wonderful little buildings that you'll pay up to $1,000 in a year just to hold on to your stuff that you never go and look at that whole entire year? Let's save a little money. Get organized, purge that stuff, and stop throwing your money away on those storage facilities. Okay, so there you have it. 5 ways disorganization is costing you money. So give me a call, let me help you out, all right? I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, please poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm Pam with Organizer Easy 911. Thanks for watching.